Hi, Year 4, it's me again. So let's recap on what we did yesterday. So yesterday we worked on understanding what expanded noun phrases are, creating a goblin together as a group, which we would have done in our 20-minute sessions, creating your own goblins, and joining your facts together using adverbials and conjunctions. Today we are going to write instructions on how to make a goblin grass cake. Yuck. So watch this video and write down the tips shared. On the next slide, you will need to apply these tips to the revision task. Reorder the goblin grass cake recipe. So in order to do this, you need to read what's in the blue box and write it out on a piece of paper in the correct order. Remember, this does not need to be uploaded to Class Dojo. It is just a revision task, and we'll probably do this in groups in our sessions. Help! Someone has muddled up these instructions. Put these instructions back in the right order and add in some time adverbials so that anyone reading the recipe knows which order they should be completed in. To help you, the introduction and conclusion are in the right place. The time adverbials you need to think about are first, second, third, fourth. So here's the title. A recipe for goblin grass cake. This is for goblins only and not for human consumption. Are you a goblin? Do you enjoy eating cake? Well, if you do, this is the recipe for you. Once the swamp water has turned everything to mush, say the special goblin cake spell. Want a cake that we can make? Now you don't have to wait. Pour into the bowl a clump of grass, a large bucket of mud, a handful of slugs, and some worm slime. Add 2 litres of swamp water into the grass and mud mixture and stir for 20 minutes. Mix everything together with the rusty spoon. Get a large bowl and a rusty spoon. Before your very eyes, a scrumptious worm slime filled cake will appear. So rewrite that in the correct order and use some time adverbials so we know which instruction needs to go first. This is your main task. You need to write your own instructions now on how to make a goblin grass cake. Remember the features of instructions. You need to do a short introduction. You need to make sure they're in chronological order. You need to use some imperative verbs like fold, slice. And you need to make an end comment as well, like we have here. Before your very eyes, a scrumptious worm slime filled cake will appear. Maybe your goblin grass cakes won't have slime. Maybe they'll have spiders or ants. They might have a crunch. Who knows? Have a think, and I can't wait to read what you guys put into your instructions and what kind of recipes you create as well. Okay, good luck.